Does my car need to be registered to get insurance? The unlimited advantages that the internet has brought to our lives have even transformed the way we go about availing something as routine as auto insurance. With the option of applying for auto insurance online, car owners are spared a tremendous amount of time, effort, and trouble that is involved in applying for regular auto insurance through an agent. It isn't merely the convenience of being able to compare quotes, but also to be assured of comparing the best rates available for auto insurance. The option of applying for auto insurance online offers the additional benefits of learning about new discounts and doing away with the need for locking in on a long-term relationship with a particular insurance company. The old days of going through the tedious process of getting quotes from auto insurance companies are behind us, as you can get all the insurance quotes you desire and the type of coverage you want. The online option of comparing quotes also means that you will be able to go through each plan in detail on the insurance sites in order to assess both the quality of the coverage as well as the rates. Discounts are a major advantage of online auto insurance, as they enable you to save in hundreds in premiums. A variety of discounts can be found and qualified for online, from opting from an alarm system in your vehicle to enrolling for certified defensive driving courses that reduce premiums for some of the companies. The more you explore auto insurance sites online, the more discounts you will find. The internet is of course synonymous with the amount of time you can save, not to mention of convenience of being able to do things at your own pace. This means not just doing away with having to schedule appointments with agents, but also filling forms in the middle of the night and completing them the next day. Online insurance companies arrange to have the completed paperwork sent to you for your signature, and presto, the process is over without having to miss out on a single day at work. Switching insurance companies is also made extremely easy with online auto insurance. Prior to the advent of the internet, it was the norm to stick to the same insurance company irrespective of their rates. Online, however, it is up to you to check as often as you like on the availability of low rates. Every time you come across better rates, you can make the switch to another company in no time at all. The essential secret to online auto insurance is research, as rates can be widely varied between the make of vehicles and models. Discounts can also be found on accessories and features to ensure that eventually you are paying the lowest insurance rates possible.